of how great a love can be, the sweet love story that is older than the sea, the simple truth about the love he brings to me. Where do I start?
With his first hello, he gave new meaning to this empty world of mine. There'll never be another love, another time.